This way. I'm gonna actually get through. What's going on, brothers? What's going on? It's your dude, International Passport. Just arrived in Shibuya Station. As you can see, it's crazy, right? So on my way to Shibuya and Shibuya Crossing. Okay, so the exit is straight ahead. Right, so when you come in, brothers, right, you tap your Suica card on here, okay, and then you go through down here, all right? Let's go out. We are making our way out to Shibuya, on our way to Shibuya Crossing, okay, and then we'll check out a few spots in Shibuya, make our way out to then Akihabara Anime District. So busy day ahead in Tokyo. Tokyo is massive, all right? So bear with me, let's go. Let's go. All right, so we are going out to Shibuya. Let's go. All right, so we are now in Shibuya, okay? Oh, wow. Okay, so this is Shibuya, all right? Passport Bros, we are currently in Shibuya. As you can see, it's very busy, very vibrant, a lot of people, very compact, very dense, all right? Look at that, all right? So once again, this is Shibuya. I'll give you a quick 360 tour, all right? So let's go. Damn, God damn. All right, so let's make our way to, let's go down here. All right, let's see what's happening down here. Hey ladies. All right, so we are currently in Shibuya, all right? Damn. Try and get a couple interviews, see if there's some brothers here. If not, it doesn't matter, but ain't too much foreigners here, I'll tell you that. And we'll make our way down to the Shibuya Crossing, okay? Let's creep in through here, all right? Let's go through here, okay? And down here. Okay, let's go. So this is not the Shibuya Crossing. It's a much larger crossing. All right. So I'm just trying to find a place. So bear with me. But I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. We are in Shibuya on a Friday afternoon. Okay. So let's go and let's see what's over here. People are still working. I'm assuming on the weekend it'll be a lot more busier and people to speak to. So it'll be hard to actually stop someone to actually speak to, but let's take it step by step, all right? Let's go. Alright, so I think we've officially made it to the Shibuya Crossing. Crazy. Alright, so we are officially now in the Shibuya Crossing. Passport bros. Alright, what's going on, brothers? It's your dude, International Passport. We are officially at the Shibuya Crossing in Shibuya. As you can see, it's very packed, very compact, a lot of people here. This is right in the center of Shibuya, and I'll give you a quick 360 tour. I'm gonna cross afterwards as well, so bear with me, okay? Bear with me. Alright, so here's Shibuya, alright? Passport bros. Black men right now in Shibuya, man. Let's go. All right. Now let's go. All right.
Me los llevo por delante a todos.
So that, brothers.
Tabii ki de.
What's up, brothers? International Passport here, currently in Shibuya, inside Shibuya, downtown Shibuya. You can see it looks like some ish out of the comics, man. Anime, manga, wherever you want to read. We out here, brothers, man. We out here. Let's go. Damn.
分の名前とくっつけて乃木坂を言うことが、この日がラストになるっていうのをまずこの言葉